Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. It's incredible. The community is growing every single day and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey, guys. It's been awesome so far. If everyone could smash the like button down there, give it a good old thumbs up. Please, please, please watch this video straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people and I would appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do not take what I say as financial advice. You need to do your own research and due diligence with all of this stuff. I've recommended a lot of websites in all of these videos that will give you confidence before jumping into any kind of investment. And me, my personal golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you have to set a limit for yourself, especially with cryptos. You can lose money like that. All right, so please be careful. Do your own research. All right, guys, the formalities are out of the way. This is a dividend stock portfolio update. I'm going to go through everything here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And yes, I use the app STAG here in Australia. There is a referral link below if you feel like checking it out. If you do use that, you can get a stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. So please feel free to check that out if you wish. You need to do your own research with this stuff, obviously, but let's get straight into it. Here's my stake portfolio, guys. It is sitting at $31,066.56 USD. This is in US dollars, and I'm going to show you my dividend tracking app, which does show Australian dollars as well, because I need to monitor that because I have no idea what the currency is just doing at the moment. But anyway, straight into it, guys. I've had a total return on Friday of $38.05, guys, so 0.12%, which is quite good, guys. But in total, 28.52% total returns, $6,893.42. Now that 28% return is incredible. You would never see that in a bank ever. Literally, it would take you a long time to kind of get these returns out of any banks. Anyway, I've got these gains predominantly from investing all throughout 2020 when the market crashed because of the situation that we're all going through, and I've benefited from that. And mainly oil stocks, believe it or not. XOM is my biggest winner for all that time frame because I've just dollar cost averaged into this stuff, and I've seen the benefit of that. So let's get straight into it. Obviously, you can see my big players right here. Obviously, XOM. I'm going to show you this now. I've got 95 shares of XOM. If it wants to load, there you go. It's $63 a share. But if you go to the 3-year chart in the last year, sorry, this is but 84% in the last year, guys. But if you go to the 3-year chart, and if we go to 2020, when we saw the major, crash happen, obviously you can see right here clearly all throughout 2020, XOM just crashed and it slowly crept its way back up to where it is now. And this is the incredible thing, right? When you're dollar cost averaging in, you're not necessarily buying at the high or the low point, you're just consistently buying, and I've seen some incredible returns for this, guy. So again, I'm sitting at 6,000 USD in total value here, 95 shares of XOM, and it does have a dividend yield of 5.55%, which is getting up there, guys. I like 3 to 5. Anything above that starts to get risky, but 5.55% is comfortable for me, and that's a perfect range because at my age, I need to start bringing in dividends a lot quicker than waiting for tech stocks like, for example, Apple. And if I show you Apple right here, guys, if we go to this now quickly, where are you? Okay, so if you go to Apple, obviously it's $184 a share. I've got 3.7 shares of Apple at $551, but their dividend yield is at 0.59, guys, so it is quite low. And the reason for that, obviously, is they're investing the money back in the technology. This is a growth / dividend stock. Obviously, I'm mainly dividends, but obviously you can see here they're investing their money back into the technology, and you can see the growth of Apple, guys. It's incredible. So that's pretty much in terms of that, guys. Now, in terms of the stocks that I've bought, I did reinvest dividends last night, and obviously bought more of a particular stock, which is SPHD. So last night I invested about $189 AUD into this, and I bought some stock in SPHD. I was paid a dividend from Prospect Capital of $6.27. Yes, we get taxed on this 15% because we're not US citizens, but we still have to pay tax, and it's 94 cents. Nevertheless, I'm still receiving dividends, which is awesome. You can see here, O Realty paid me a dividend, guys, of $7.10, STAG $3.60, Pembina Pipeline, guys, 87 cents, WPC 23 cents, BEN 14 cents. I'm not going to go through all of them. That's pretty much it. I did reinvest that money into SPHD because it is a monthly ETF. Now, I'll just quickly show you this, guys, what is basically SPHD. Sorry. Where are you? All right, so $43 a share in SPHD. I've had some good returns in this. I'm not saying I haven't. It's been pretty good to me so far. I've had a total return of $443, 13.16%, which is actually fantastic. And guys, I've got, what have we got here? 87 shares of SPHD. It is an ETF. So basically with SPHD, you're buying the S&P 500, but in this ETF, it picks the top 50 dividend paying stocks in the S&P 500. So effectively, it's like buying the top 50 of the S&P 500 that pays dividends. This pays out every single month. So I'm seeing dividends coming in passively every single month, and that's why I love this. And you can see here on the day, it is down 0.09% in the last week. It is up 0.67% in the last month, 1.16% in the last year. Wait for it to load. 26% returns, which is incredible. And in 3 years, guys, it is an average 10%, which is pretty much standard for ETFs and index funds. You get an average return of about 10% a year. Now, obviously, in the last year, it's extraordinary because we've, had the situation. Prices crashed. I dollar cost average into this, and it's seen incredible returns of 26%, which is ridiculous when you think about it. Doesn't happen anywhere else. Anyway, guys, I have got some growth stocks in this portfolio. For example, Tesla. I do hold Tesla, and I bought in before the stock split. Now, a stock split is obviously when they, increase the amount of shares out in the market, and they split it. So I essentially received an additional 2 or 3 stocks, I believe it was. I can't remember off the top of my head. And I'm now sitting on 4 shares of Tesla, which is incredible. And I've seen $1,800 in returns, 95%. Again, that is ridiculous. That's getting into the crypto realm, guys. So pretty awesome. But they don't pay dividends. That's just the growth. And the other one I've got here, which is growth, is SPCE, which is Virgin Galactic. I love this whole idea about space travel and all that kind of stuff. Bit of a nerd when it comes to this thing. But it's down 19%. But I have made a loss, actual $269, down 21% in my portfolio. And I do have 50 shares of that. So I'm just going to hold them for long term. I'm not going to sell them. But that's pretty much in terms of my growth stock side of things, but mainly dividends. So I'm going to get into my dividend tracking app right now because I think this is really cool to see this. So you can see here my annual dividend income is $1,437 a year, completely passive, and it's only going to go up in value. And the beautiful thing about dividend investing is I'm not worried about the price of the stock because I'm always going to be receiving those dividends. So $1,437 monthly, $119 a month and 82 cents, which is incredible. This is in Australian dollars, by the way. Daily, $3.94 a day. The average yield is 4.43%. I'm due to receive in the next 4 days a dividend from BNS of 46 cents, CSCO 15 cents, and GPS of 32 cents, which is awesome. Here are my top dividend payers, guys. XOM Mobil pays me $446 a year. SPHD is now getting up there, guys, $182 a year. Realty Income, $121 a year. EPD, guys, $114 a year. Prospect Capital, $100 a year. That's pretty stagnant, guys. I'm just holding it. I have seen some good returns. They haven't increased their dividends for a long time, guys. It's 6 cents. I believe 6 cents is just $6 basically for my 100 shares. So it's not really that great, basically. Anyway, so I'm just holding it there. AT&T is $98. VYM is an index fund, the S&P 500. This is Vanguard, and they're incredible, guys. I've seen some awesome returns in that. $73 a year. STAG, $57 a year, and AGNC, $24 a year. And I've got a goal, again, of $20,000 in dividends a year. Getting to get there, guys. It's going to take some time, but I will hit that mark. 31% of my dividends comes from energies, minerals companies, guys. Dividends receivable this month is $49, so I'm yet to receive that. And here's the magic one here, the number. Wait for it to load. My portfolio is valued at, in Australian dollars, $41,580.06. So that's really good, guys. It's growing very nicely. Total returns in Australian dollars, $9,162.29. That's incredible. And if you scroll right down, guys, I love checking this out because it's my favorite part. So this is where compounding comes into play. Dividend growth, stock price and growth, just a magic thing here, guys. So in 10 years, my portfolio, if I didn't invest any more money, just reinvested the dividends I got paid out by these companies, my portfolio is going to be worth $67,000, and I would receive $4,500 a year in dividends. That is awesome. Now, in 20 years, guys, my portfolio is going to be worth $205,000, and total dividends coming in is $23,000 a year. That works out just over $300 a week. That is insane. It would help a lot in terms of paying for bills and Netflix and stuff like that. So this is the power of dividend investing, guys. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And again, I am aiming to build up my months where I'm low. I'd love to see them at a minimum of $100 a month. I'm almost there. Low months, obviously, for me are January, April, and July, and October. So if I go to these, I can choose to invest in these companies to build this up. Coca-Cola, Nike, IMO, EMN, Kimberly-Clark, KMB is a great dividend paying company. VOO is the index S&P 500. This is incredible as well. Iron Mountain, TLT, MO, Altria Group, again, a great dividend payer. Philip Morris is a tobacco company. I can choose to invest in that, obviously, and increase my dividends. They are a very big dividend payer. EPRBEN or O Realty or STAG, again, they are monthly dividend payers. And again, SPHD, you can see that's every single month. I'm receiving $15.50 every single month, completely passive. And it only goes up in value. In actual fact, I just want to check what's going up here because I believe they've been pretty stagnant in the last couple of months, but I just want to show you this here. This is a great app, by the way. I'm not affiliated with this. It's on the iOS App Store. I'm not sure if it's available on Android, sorry. But you can see here the dividends, guys, from 2020 to 2021, October. They have gone down, but they have increased, which is nice, to 11 cents a share, 12 cents a share, 12 cents. What do we got here? 12.7, 12.8, and 13 cents a share. So it is going up. So just a sign that the market is recovering. So you can keep track of when your dividends are going up, which is awesome. That's pretty much it in terms of my dividend stock portfolio, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Are you interested in dividend investing? Again, I use Stake, so check it out if you wish. It's an awesome app. I love it, and I use it every single week. I love it. Honestly, guys, dividend investing is what got me started in all of this anyway. All right, so stay safe, guys. I'll put up some videos coming this week because I'm sure there's going to be a lot of stuff happening with the case with XRP versus Ripple. Bitcoin, ETFs being approved all over the place. Stocks going up. It's all over. It's all happening, guys. All right, stay safe, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye.